Hey guys, well, it's cold out and I've been in the garage for about an hour and I got the old wood stove going. I had the salamander going, so you can't see your breath. Not too bad, pretty good. So anyway, what are we doing? We're gonna pop the seat out. There it is. It's hard. You can see I buried that aluminum in there. I even buried some of this window screen in here. I don't know, it's plastic. So hopefully, got some tools, some plasticky pry bar things, some wooden blocks. I cut some this morning, so it has some wedges. I tried using the plywood on the last one, remember? And it broke. Plywood, not very good. But let's see if we can get this thing to give. I'll get you guys set up on the stand and we'll start wrestling. That'll be the fun part. I probably should shave it first. If I do that, I'm going to put something over my face, because the last time I cut this stuff, and my lungs probably, because all you get that little fiber in your face or your hands, and then it pokes. It's glass and it hurts. It's probably not good in your lungs either. So we'll see how I want to cut that loose, or maybe I'll leave it on there. I don't know. I think it might come off. I'm not sure. I was thinking about cutting it loose up here. It might be easier to get into some harder material than fighting with this. See, it's making noises, which is a good thing. And I'm seeing some discoloration here. You guys probably can't pick that up on the camera, but this is darker and this is lighter. So I think it's going to come. Oh yeah, I got a little bit of movement there. I might be able to pop it out without even using anything. That'll never work. I got my fingers behind it. That's cool. Yeah. Definitely getting some movement. But I think we're going to have to use the wedges. Too much there to work with, but I think she'll come. Yeah, I'm going to cut this. I think it's just going to make life easier. Pick up our mess. At least part of it. Okay guys, am I safe? Wait, where's my lid? There it is. I can't see nothing, but I'm safe. I guess if these masks are good enough. Maybe we could see what we're doing. Maybe. I can feel it. I can feel it in my eyes. But I had to see what I was doing, because I messed it up a little bit. So that probably just funneled it into my eyes. Take this off. Okay, mask off. Ooh, I hate masks. I think we'd get used to them eventually. Nope. But at least now I can see, kinda. A pair of scissors maybe? Got a pair. Oh, I did one. haircut. Does not like to cut through fiberglass, especially when it's got resin in it. But now we can see at least. Okay, getting closer. What I'm trying to do is see down in here. See how that's kind of peeling off? Oh yeah, I see the color. I don't know if you guys can see the color change right there, but it's coming off. Okay, so let's get some wood under it, or some plastic, or whatever we got here. I'm thinking this wood might work here. Just take a wedge, jam that in there. Come around on this side. Okay, that actually popped quite a bit. It's very satisfying. Come. Got a wedge in there already. Oh, I think we win. I think that was it. She was a battle. The mold took a little beating. We lost a corner here. This was thin, so I was hoping it would help, and it probably did. But it's off. Yeah, let's get this thing carved up. Looks pretty good. I think it'll be alright. I'm going to put my dust mask back on again if I can find it. Let's see what we can carve up. Okay, there it is, guys. It's out. Thickness wise, it varies. I'd say 1/8 of an inch out here along the edges, but I think it's definitely a lot thicker in here. Plus I added that screen you can see in there. That's probably something. And there's 2 aluminum plates. This one kind of walked a little bit, but I think we can hit it so we can bolt it down more secure. There was a spot I thought was a little weird. Oh yeah, it's on the outside here, right over here. This spot right here, this is actually soft. So I'm thinking we may just add a little MEKP on top of that and see if we can get it to kick. I don't know why. The rest of it's good, but that spot's a little soft. It's still hairy, still needs to be sanded, cleaned up, but not too bad. Let's see. I got a block of wood right here. Let's set it down. Okay. 2 blocks of wood actually. Let me go over here and set you guys up. We'll see if it breaks. Here we go. Big Ed in the little chair. Let's see. Oh. It didn't even make any crunchy noises. I got a thing flying around, so it's like one of those fireside chats, except my camera's cockeyed. I just put my head like that. What do you guys think? So, yeah, I don't see any problem with that. Seems alright. Might still be a little wet. It's going to be like a turtle and stuck to my butt. Probably. So, anyway, guys, that's how you make a seat. I got 2 more to go for the spoiler alert Dune Buggy. So once we get the Jeep kind of in a rolling state of affairs, we're going to start on that project. But that might not be till spring. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, subscribing, and comment. Hit that like button if you would, please. Really appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Whatever you want to do. All's good with me. Everybody have a good Christmas. Happy holidays. And we'll be back before the first of the year, I think. We should have another video. Well, we'll see. Later.